Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to group image and shape in MS Word. First you need to go to the insert and click on the picture and click on this device and select the picture. Click on insert. You can resize it. When I try to drag it, it is not moving. What you have to do is you need to right click and in the wrap text you need to click on the in front of tags. Now the image can move anywhere on the document. Then go to the insert and click on shapes and draw any shapes you want to. For example, I am drawing this shape. Now you need to select the first image and right click and click on send to back and click send to back, and then again go to the bring to front and click on the bring to front, and you can see that the shape has been gone back side of the picture. Then again right click and click on the send to back, and now the shape is again on the front page. Now hold the shift key and select both shape and image and right click, and you will see that there is a group option. Click group, and now you can see that both shape and image is grouped and you can move anywhere on the page. Further, you can also resize it, give the shape as per your need. So in this way you can easily group image and shape in MS Word. If you think this video helpful and you have understand the process, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.